Today, we're going to be talking about three strategies to double your income in real estate. Now, these three strategies don't work unless you do the work. So, if you're ready, let's get it. Now, Christina, tell me a little bit about these three strategies we're talking about.
Well, strategy number one has to do with properly marketing your buyer listings as well as your seller listings.
All right. So, first of all, most agents don't list their buyers. They just, I don't know, don't list them. So, properly list your buyer. So, what does that mean? That means that when that home sells, it needs to be marketed also. Okay? What are just a couple ways that they should market them? What should their marketing plan include
It should,
for buyer listings?
yeah, it should include social proof.
Mm-hmm.
So that would be like reviews of working with that client.
That's right.
You also need to market it on social media.
Okay.
You need to have a referral plan in place.
Mm-hmm.
And this would also include a yard sign and in print.
There we go. That is a breakdown. You should have a plan to do that. Now also with the seller listings, it's going to be the same thing. Again, can you run that down for the seller listings when we sell a home? How should we properly market that place?
You're going to market it with social proof. You're going to do an interview with that seller at the closing table. And then you're going to post that out there on social media.
Okay.
You're also going to post the sale of the home on social media.
Okay, so we got social proof. What else we got?
And then we would ask them for referrals.
Okay, we got referral marketing. What else should they do?
They should have a yard sign out there. Hey, this house sold.
That's right.
And as well as in print. So postcards, magazines, that sort of thing.
That's right. Letters, all of that. So properly marketed buyer listings and seller listings, that's going to lead to another sale. You're going to get another client from that. That's going to double your income right there. So if you're selling one or two homes a month and you're marketing that way, that's going to make you go to 2 to 3 homes a month, right? So if you're doing 1 a month, now you're at 2. If you're at 2, actually, I'm sorry, then now you'll double to 4, right? So that'll double your income right there. Now, there are a couple more ways. That's just strategy number 1. All right? You ready? We got more. What's strategy number 2?
Strategy number 2 is for you to earn more off of every commission by having a 100% commission model. And this is really important for agents to actually sit down and do the math, because you need to calculate how much are you actually paying out over the course of a year. And I know this is something that you actually had to do. You had to sit down and calculate to figure out if you should move over to a 100% commission model.
That's right. I had a mentor of mine, and it took me literally, I think it was about 4 months to change brokerages because I was happy. I was content. I don't know why. I mean, I liked the people there. I did not want to change. I was very comfortable where I was. But she helped me to see how much money I was losing by not working at a 100% brokerage. Now, again, this is not for everybody. This does not work for everybody. Now, if you don't know what you're doing and you just go over to 100% brokerage, that may not work for you. Okay. I mean, I already had a pretty good some things in place. We had business coming in, and my broker was not really adding too much value to me at that time. So it really made sense. When I did the math, I looked at all the things I was paying out, and I was able to more than double my income. Now, the average agent, we've looked, the average, and I'm not saying the average agent, actually, the average, let's say the average commission split, right, is around 50-50. Okay. It's around 50-50. So if you go to 100%, you have just instantly doubled your income. And now, if you want to check out Pretty Home Realty, we have a 100% commission model split. Okay, we have that. We offer that to agents. And guess what? It's only $2,000 a year. It's $2,000 a year. That can be broken. You know, you can just take that off. I mean, your first commission can pay for that, and the rest of the year you're done. Okay. No caps, no none of that. Okay.
And that's
Now,
really something to look out for, because there's plenty of companies out there that have a $16,000 cap, or a $10,000 cap, or a $5,000 cap.
that's right.
How about no cap?
No cap.
Cut it out.
Caps off. All right. So that's big in making money. So do the math. If it makes sense for you, you know, you might want to think about that. You can take that to the bank. Now, another thing that you're going to want to think about also when it comes to, let's say, the 100% commission model is, how does it pay you out? How does it pay you out? So just to let you know, I mean, and we're talking about doubling your income. It pays you out instantly. Okay. Instantly. Now, that's not with all companies, but here, basically, you deposit your check, you fill out your forms, and you get paid. Okay, so that's how it works. And again, if you want more information on that, go to prettyhomerealty.com. You can go on the careers page and just look at the 100% model. All right.
Yep. And then the third strategy for doubling your income could be from joining a team. And the reason for that is because you are plugging in to a system that's already established. You're getting a flow of high quality leads. And then you're able to double your income, because if you were just maybe having 1 or 2 sales a month, now you're generating more income from these closings.
Well, think about that. What if you're having 0? Okay. What if you're having a nice big donut, right? And the donut's the whole, right? That's no good. I've been there. I've been sitting in an office waiting for the phone to ring. I'm sitting in a real estate office hoping the phone to ring, and basically I'm a glorified secretary because I'm answering it on other people's listings, right? I may have gotten one deal from that out of like years and years. So,
or the other thing they tell you to do, call your sphere of influence.
right, which, hey, I mean, we all know that works, but we all know that most people don't want to do that. Just period. Like, people just don't want to do that for the most part. So, yeah, I forgot what I was saying because I don't know where I was going, but I was going somewhere. I had something good to tell you. It's gone.
I think you were saying you were sitting in a real estate office waiting for the phone to ring.
Yeah, I was. So anyway, I was. When I was with a team, it was totally different. Okay, when I was with a team, the phone was ringing constantly with people wanting to buy. We had buyers, we had listings, we had systems, we had meetings. Like, we had momentum, and I was able to plug into that. And I was making maybe one sale every other month or so, but that completely changed to just multiple sales. Thanks for putting me back on track. That changed to multiple sales. So those are the 3 ways to double your income.
And if you appreciated today's content, give us some thumbs up, some likes, and subscribe so that you can get notified as soon as the information hits the internet.
And for more right now, if you want more training, more tips, be sure to check out Pretty Home Academy. We got some pretty awesome stuff on there, some workshops coming up. And if you also like to check out the programs that we were talking about, you can check out the career page there. Again, that's on prettyhomeacademy.com. All right, you ready to do it? Don't talk about it, be about it. Let's get it.
Thanks for watching.